In this video, we'll be looking at the Magic Pen. The Magic Pen or Emphasis Pen has three functions that we can use to emphasize while we are teaching. The first one is to simply pick up the pen and go and underline or draw an arrow or emphasize a specific part that you are looking for. After a couple of seconds, these lines will disappear. A second function would be to draw a circle, and this would bring on our spotlight, so we can emphasize one part of, in this instance, the diagram that we are looking at. Another function of the Magic Pen, if we were to draw a square, in this instance over where my protractor is, it zooms, and this gives me a better chance to see exactly what the measurement of that is. So we can go, look, it's between 50 and 60, that's right in the middle. So I'm taking a guess that this is a 55-degree angle. So how do we go and use the Magic Pen? The Magic Pen is found in our Tools section of Toolbar 2. If we click on Pens and click on the drop down, you will see that the Magic Pen is the second from the bottom. I click on that, and straight away I can change the color of my pen and the line thickness. So let's just change it to a nice yellow, but I'll keep the thickness. The three things that we are able to do is draw straight lines, arrows, things that identify where parts are, so we can underline. They will then disappear. The second function we could do is draw a circle. So I'm going to draw a circle around here, and this causes the spotlight. We can then move the spotlight around to emphasize another part of the picture. And the third is by drawing a square or rectangle around an object. This zooms or magnifies, and I can take that and zoom and magnify around the picture. Depending on the quality of the picture is how good the zoom will be. As you noticed when I drew the arrow, it took some time to disappear. You are able to change the time setting for that. So if you'd like it to stay out longer or go away quicker, you are able to change that. And we do that by clicking on the Properties tab whilst the Magic Pen is selected. Go across to the Properties tab and click on the Fill effects at the top. There you will see it gives me a fade after so many seconds, and this ranges from 2 to 12 seconds. I'm going to put it on 6. The key thing here is to save the tool properties. If I don't save the tool properties, I'll go and draw and it will stay on for 6 seconds, but the next time that I activate the Magic Pen, it'll go back to what was saved last time, which was 4. So I'm going to click Save Tool Properties, and now I'm going to go and draw an arrow to the bowl of fruit, and you'll see that this takes a little bit longer than the previous time. The Magic Pen is a great tool used to emphasize over a number of things: pictures, writing, diagrams. The one thing that it can't do is write words. So if I was to go and write word, you'll notice what happens when I do the O, it changes. We are now able to do this with our pen settings. If you go find the pen fading video, you will see how we can make our pens fade and we can write complete words. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.